In this video, I'll show you how to set live wallpaper on PC lock screen using lively wallpaper. So what you need to do, if you look right here on my screen, you'll be able to see this is a live wallpaper. So if you love to do it, make sure I've installed the lively from your Microsoft Store on your PC. So open up your lively app. So this is it. So if I love to select a screen display, what I need to do now, you can see different options are here, different options. So I can just select, let me say this one. I'll click on it. You're going to be able to see set wallpaper, set as wallpaper. So once you click on it, it's going to be able to change it. So I'm going to click on mine now, so you can see it's currently refreshing. So if I go back to my screen, just wait for it, I think few minutes or few seconds. So yeah, you can see. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.